Hello friends, how are you? I hope all of you will be fine, and I welcome all of you on my YouTube channel Assure Success. Friends, in this video I will share you the complete plan of Sports Wager 360. Sports Wager 360 will give you the opportunity of constant earnings while playing games. You must have installed many applications like gaming applications, social applications, other e-commerce applications on your smartphone, but have you ever earned while playing such games using such applications? Friends, earning while playing games and using such applications has never been an easy task to perform with. But your association with Sports Wager 360 will give you the fun along with the millions of earnings with us. So stay with me till the last of this video. Friends, in this video I will not talk anything high unnecessarily about this plan. I will share the plan just as it is. Before I share it is my opinion for all those leaders who are investors and are dreaming of earning millions of money without working while just placing their IDs. Stay away to all of them. Those are non-workers and who cannot make their team and expand their team successfully. For such leaders, there are launching thousands of plans daily. They can join with such companies and can fulfill their dreams. But those leaders who are work lovers and searching for an ethical, legal and genuine company, their search ends here at Sports Wager 360. You can reach at 1 lakh earnings within a month by just focusing on expansion of your down team. You will find here the earning of 11 lakh per day with Sports Wager 360 is very easy task. Before this, if you have not subscribed my channel Assure Success, then please subscribe, like and share. Friends, if you wanted to keep updated yourself regarding Sports Wager operations, then subscribe my channel to keep you notified of every updations of Sports Wager 360. Sports Wager 360 is collaborated with Super 360 Collabs, and you can find all the legals on our website www.sportswager360.com. You can join us by purchasing the Super 360 product Ayu Health Capsule with 760 rupees. Ayu Health Capsule is completely Ayurvedic formulation, which is a complete family tonic without any side effects. And in the coming days, the Sports Wager 360 will add more products in its joining part to give you the variety and choices during the joining. Moreover, thousands of products which will be personal care, health care, home care, kitchen care and other domestic and agriculture uses will be launched as a repurchase part. There are total 9 types of incomes. First income, self-income. Second income is prefer level income. Third one is perfect performance bonus. Fourth income, game level income. Fifth income, game winning income. Sixth one, Reliant task benefit. 7, expert coach bonus. 8th, repurchase income. 9th, rewards. Self-income. You will get 50 rupees after activation of your ID, and you can use this in playing games to ensure the game level income and game winning income. Refer level income, 125 rupees will be distributed up to your 6th level. The 60 rupees will be distributed on appointing every diet refer by you, which will be your level 1. 15 rupees from every activation in level 2, 10 rupees in level 3, 10 rupees in level 4, 10 rupees in level 5 and 20 rupees in level 6. If you appoint 10 directs and maintain the matrix of 10 by 10 up to 6 level, then your total earning will be 2 crore 11 lakhs 12,100 rupees. Next is perfect performance bonus. If you activate 10 diet refers within 7 days of your date of activation, you will get 1,000 rupees. And if you complete your level 2, that is a team of hundreds, within the 30 days of your date of activation, you will get 5,000. Next is game level income. For this income, you have to play our games with 25 rupees per day. If you fail to play any day, you will not get the game level income further. So the play game daily with 25 rupees bet amount and open the gateway of earning of 11 lakhs per day from your 6th level. You can shift the game at the autoplay mode in case you don't have time or too busy to play the game daily. At autoplay mode, 10 rupees will be deducted instead of 25 rupees. On autoplay mode, you will keep getting the game level income without any interruption. I am showing you the chart in case of 10 diet refers following the 10 by 10 matrix. If every player from your level 6 is playing the game with 25 rupees per day, then you will be going to earn here 11 lakhs 11,110 rupees per day. The Sports Wager 360 is asking to play games with 25 rupees per day. If any player is willing to play the game with a higher amount, then he can play on his discretion. He should be responsible and liable regarding the winning and losing of the game. Moreover, if any player is playing with a high amount other than the 25 rupees, the 4% of his bet amount will be distributed to his 6 uplines each. For example, if any player from your team is playing with the 50 rupees, the 2 rupees will be get distributed to his 6 uplines. Same, if any player is playing with 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees, 1000 rupees, 2000 rupees or 5000 rupees, the rupees 4, rupees 8, rupees 20, rupees 40, rupees 80, rupees 100, rupees 200 respectively will be distributed to his 6 uplines each. Next is game winning income. You can win 40% or 120% of your bet amount. If a game is being played among 2 or 3 players, then the winner will get the 40% of his bet amount along with his bet amount. If the game is playing among 4 players, then the winner will get the 120% of his bet amount along with his bet amount. For example, if 2 players are playing with 25 rupees, the winner will get 10 rupees along with 25 rupees, total 35 rupees. If the 4 players are playing the games with 25 rupees each, then the winner will get 30 rupees plus 25 rupees of his bet amount, total 55 rupees. Next is Reliant Task Benefit. If any player wanted to escape from playing games daily due to his busyness or lack of time, then he can perform Reliant Task to get continued game level income. For this, he have to top off his ID with 350 PV under Reliant Task, and he will be get exempted from daily reduction of 25 rupees for 30 days if he takes the product against 350 PV, and 25 rupees for the 90-day will be exempted if he did not take the products against his 350 PV top off, and he will get benefit continuously for game level income. Next is expert coach bonus. You will be supportive coach when you appoint 10 directs and you have the down team of hundreds. After the supportive coach, any ID from your team get activated, you will be received 40 rupees from every activation from your team. Any leader from your team becomes supportive coach, then you will be received 20 rupees from every activations below your supportive coach teams, and you will be technical coach, and you will be conditioning coach if any technical coach comes under your down team, and you will get 10 rupees from every joinings of your technical coach team, and you will be subordinate coach when you have one conditioning coach in your down team. You will be get 10 rupees from every joining in your conditioning coach team, sir. And you will be head coach if you have any subordinate coach in your down team, and you will get 10 rupees from every joinings below your subordinate coach. Next is repurchase income. The Super 360 would have his online e-commerce application where you will get the thousands of products of your use, and you can purchase these products and promote your team to do so, and you can have another source of permanent income as per the repurchase income, which will be calculated on monthly basis. All the winners will be calculated in PV, and 1 PV is equal to 1 rupees. You will get 72% of your team's total repurchase bonus from your 21 level depth. If you able to get the 1 lakh PV in a month, then you will be given the benefit of traveling allowance. 5% of all the PV winners will be distributed among the traveling allowance achievers. And if you did the bonus of 2.5 lakhs PV in a month, then you will also get the car allowance. For this, the 5% of all the PV winners will be distributed among the car allowance achievers. If you able to get the 5 lakh PV in a month, then you will also get house allowance, and the 5% of all the PV winners will be distributed among house allowance achievers. And on performing 10 lakh PV in a month, you will also get the manager allowance. In this, the 5% of the total PV winners will be get distributed among the manager allowance achievers. And if you able to get the maintain 25 lakh PV in a month, then you will also get the director allowance. In this, the 3% of all the winners will be get distributed among the director allowance achievers. If you did the 50 lakhs PV winners once in any month, then you will be eligible for the royalty bonus, and in this the 5% of the total BV turnover will be distributed among the royalty bonus achievers. And once you achieve the 50 lakh PV in a month, you will be able to get loyalty bonus lifetime. Next, I will talk about rewards. When you appoint 10 directs, your designation become top edge and there is no rewards. You will become sapphire. When you achieve 100 down team and there is no awards. And on achieving 1000 IDs, you will become emerald. And in 45 days, if you did this, the 40-inch LED will be given as reward, and the value of 40-inch LED will be 30,000. And in 4th level, if there is 10,000 teams in 20, you will become ruby, and you have to do this in 120 days. Then you will be get the bullet bike, and the cost of bullet bike would be 1,30,000. You will become diamond if you achieve 1 lakh ID in your level 5, and if you achieve 1 lakh ID in 180 days, you will win Brija car, and the cost of Brija car is 10 lakhs. When you have 10 lakh team in your level 6, you will become diamond, and if you achieve 10 lakh team in 270 days, the Fortuner car will be rewarded, and the cost of Fortuner rod would be around 30 lakhs. If you have 3 direct blue diamonds on your level 1st, then you will get 30 lakh cash, and there is no time limit. And when you have 6 direct blue diamonds in your level 1, then you will get 60 lakhs as a reward, and there is also no limit. Now let's talk about term and condition. One ID would be placed under one PAN card or one Aadhaar card or one bank account. The 5% deduction of admin charge and 5% deduction of TDS will be there, and 20% deduction will be there in case of no PAN card. And the minimum withdrawal will be of 500 and multiple of 500. And the withdrawal timing will be morning 11 AM to evening 4 PM. And the withdrawal amount will be get transferred to your account on next day, and the withdrawal will be off on Sunday and other bank holidays, and it will be player's discretion to play the game with more than 25 rupees. It will be his responsibility and liability, and he should know that he can lose or win the bet amount. Thanks.